Gardening in the morning during Corona. That's our gardener, Pak Chonon. The swimming pool is empty because Corona electricity is very expensive. That's why no swimming during Corona. And that's for... Where's my duck? Sotong! Soto, soto! Soto, soto, soto! That's my goose! Ang saku! Maret, April, May... Talong bulan. Let's check out our garden. Banana nana. And... Allah Akbar, apa iki? Yolah, dipangan iki. Wow, man, this must be pest. Wow, apa iki semua iki? Oh, look at that. So big. Oh, like biang. So this is the man that's been eating all my plants. You little. I have to shoot him or something. By the way, if you eat this thing, you know, this is considered halal in Islam, you know. Halal is like kosher. Well, sure you have to have Bismillah first. But I'm scared to catch it. I don't know how. Oh, wait. So, I made this spear gun to catch some fish. But today we're going to catch some grasshopper for food during Corona. Sorry. Dangerous. Very dangerous. Very dangerous. Very, very dangerous. You're ready to catch, okay?
Done.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Allahu Akbar. Whoa! Got one. Look at that, kawan. Whoa! Yay! Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alamin. Food, guys. Food for today. Yeah. Let's find another one. See? So many of them with holes, you know. Look at that. All the grasshoppers been like eating all my plants. Man. Oh, look all this pests, man. They're eating all my garden. Man. Our hunting today. We get so many of them. Woo! Yummy. Food. Corona food. Free food. So you government, if you don't send me money or you don't send me food, don't worry. I'll survive. Alhamdulillah. Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alamin Ya Allah. Oh, food! Woo! So now, we're trying to take off all the guts. Keluarkan semuanya. Yang di dalamnya nih, banyak banget nih, so many. You call this survival. You eat anything. So you take off the wing first. Bismillah. Wing off. Okay. Feet off. Feet off. Sorry. You okay?
No.
Okay.
Again. Already.
Okay, again. Closer.
Now just zoom.
Sit down.
No, thank you.
You know, not higher. Just one.
Already.
Okay.
I'm zooming.
Okay, taking off the guts. See, this is the guts. Okay. You throw the guts. Okay. The head is the crunchy part, so I'm still eating the head.
Mama. Mama, got it over there, please.
Where?
Mama, it keeps jumping here.
Jumping where?
The feet.
See, all the feet. Kaki-kaki kecil. Udah, nggak usah komplain sing nonton. Corona iki rano panganan. Nek komplain kayak panganan, kayak duit. Senengane mencerca saja. You animal lover, you don't have to complain all the time. You peta and everything. You know, if you live in third world country, you don't have food, what are you going to do? Eat dirt? Oh, come on. Be nice, guys. Give good comment or something. You know, it's not easy to find food here, especially Corona, and the government doesn't give us money, especially if somehow they think we have money, which is just not right. You know, we close our store, you know, we eat out of nothing. Come on, this is sad. By the way, this is not animal, this is insect, guys. You know what insect? Bukan binatang ini. serangga. Jadi nggak ada penyayang serangga toh. So there's no such thing as insect lover. Okay, first of all we wash it first. Cuci dengan bismillah dan harus 20 detik seperti mencuci corona. Okay, first all the ingredients is coriander, and then we put some white pepper. Oh, this one's like broth. Okay, it's a seafood broth from this one that we just cooked here, shrimp. And then we put some MSG, a little bit, and some garlic. And then we put some black pepper. Okay, that's it. Just simple thing. There, good. And mix it together. Boom, 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 boom. Dasar hama memakan pohon-pohon jambu dan pisang. You little insect, you've been eating all my garden thing. Now you die, you go to hell. I'll eat you. Ooh, brown, yummy. Okay, let's try. Kita akan coba dulu masakan kita hari ini. We try, ya. Let's try. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Yummy. And now my son is going to try our cooking. Grasshopper from our garden. Ooh, let's see. How's it? Yummy? Yummy? Alright. How's it taste?
Good.
Good? Just good? Yummy? Alright. Bye-bye. This is our assistant, Dia. And... Thank you. Yang keras, kerak, buka mulut.